Good morning, guys. How are you? It's Hamad from Mediplants channel. It's a beautiful morning, and I am in my garden to harvest some of the flowers. So I just decided to share the collection of the flowers, the plucking of them with you. So let's go. I have harvested some of the jasmine flowers. You can see them. I have harvested 3 of them. This is the jasmine plant over there in my garden. It is basically in a 14-inch big size pot, and the pot is definitely, it's not plastic or not ceramic. It is basically made up of mud, but it is neat. It is very neat pot, and you can see the plant size. It is a fully grown plant over there, fully mature. A lot of buds. I have already plucked a lot of flowers from them. You can see, and a lot of buds are coming there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have plucked this also. What is this? Anyways, so oh yes, here are some more flowers. One is this. Let me pluck this, and there are 2 more. Let us pick them. No, it is not fully bloomed, so we will leave it as it is. So this is my jasmine plant, and I have now 5 to 6 flowers over there, which I will smell them. Good morning, guys. How are you? It's Hamad from Mediplants channel. It's a beautiful morning, and I am in my garden to harvest some of the flowers. So I just decided to share the collection of the flowers, the plucking of them with you. So let's go. Amazing. You cannot imagine the smell, because we cannot share it on video. But I hope the people who have jasmine plant in their home and they have experienced the smell, they can just feel the smell. Feel it. Guys, let's have some talk regarding the plant, how to care it, how to deal with it as a perennial plant in your garden. So let's move on. So guys, this is the plant, and it is shrubby in nature. As you can see, it has long branches, and all the branches are spreading everywhere. There is no specificity or anything pattern over there. So this is Arabian jasmine, basically, also known as Jasmine Sembec, if we say the scientific name over there. So it is Arabian jasmine. It is highly fragrant variety. And if I can tell you the care of it, if you have this in your garden or you want this in your garden, so you need a warm, humid climate over there in your garden to maintain this plant as a perennial species. Talk about the soil. You can see I have mulched it with plant litter, or you can say the leaf, you can say compost over there. So you have to mulch it, and you have to place it in this you can say semi-shade area or full sunlight area. So you can say that you have to place it in such an area where for some time, 2 to 3 hours, there should be direct sunlight, and after that there should be a semi-shade area or indirect sunlight over there. But indirect bright sunlight should be over there. So in this sort of area, the plant flourishes and thrives very well, and it will give you a lot of flowers like I have in my hand right now. You can see them, and you will just enjoy the smell. So it is basically a summer plant. In the warm, definitely in warm temperatures, if you have 2 type of climates in your country, so you will get the flowers in summer season, and after that in winter season the plant will be dormant. And if you are in such an area where the warm climate is throughout the year, you are feeling humid, to some extent humidity throughout the year, so you will get the flowers throughout the year. And for you can say nutrient supply, we provide it with leaf litter, along with that stable NPK, and it is more than enough for this plant. It is going wonderful. All for today, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.